Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today I'm sharing something that caught my attention for all the right reasons. A lipstick that promises to give your lips a soft, romantic, and blurred finish while still packing the punch of bold color. Meet the MAC Powder Kiss lipstick in Burning Love. This lipstick is described as a deepened red wine shade, offering a matte finish that feels different from most matte lipsticks. If you're a fan of bold colors with a weightless feel, this product might be the one to try. MAC has been known for creating stunning lipsticks, and with the Powder Kiss formula, they've really stepped up the game. But does it live up to its promises? Let's dive in. First off, Burning Love is a matte lipstick, but it's a unique one. The Powder Kiss formula was developed to replicate a backstage technique where makeup artists want to create a romantic, soft focus effect on lips, and that's exactly what you get here. Instead of feeling dry or overly matte, this formula provides a soft, almost velvet-like finish. It's got a lightweight feel to it, which makes it much more comfortable compared to traditional matte lipsticks that can sometimes feel heavy or drying. It's like you're wearing a lip balm, but with all the intensity of a bold lip color. It's a real standout in the matte category. Now, I've been testing this lipstick for a while, and I can tell you that its performance in real-world settings is quite impressive. The texture is smooth, and it glides on without pulling or tugging at the lips. The color payoff is solid, a deep, sophisticated red wine that makes a statement without being too overpowering. It's a shade that transitions beautifully from day to night, and while it's bold, the soft focus effect keeps it from feeling too intense. When it comes to the application, it's pretty simple. You can apply it directly from the bullet, which is the most convenient option if you're in a rush. For a more defined look, I recommend using a lip brush or pairing it with a lip liner. I tested both ways, and I must say, using a lip pencil really made the color last longer and stay true to its rich, deep hue. One of the most important things when it comes to matte lipsticks is how they wear throughout the day. I found that Burning Love stayed comfortable even after a few hours of wear, which is not always the case with matte formulas. It didn't feel overly dry, and while it did fade slightly after eating, it wasn't patchy or uneven. A real win for anyone looking for a no-fuss lipstick. On to the pros and cons. Let's start with the positives. First, the formula is a dream. Soft, matte, and comfortable. It's everything you'd want in a lipstick. The color, Burning Love, is universally flattering, and it will work on many different skin tones. It's a classic shade that feels sophisticated, yet modern, and can really elevate any look. Another pro is the versatility. I mentioned it before, but this color can easily take you from a laid-back day look to something a bit more glam for the evening. It's that good. However, no product is perfect. One downside is that while the color payoff is impressive, it's not as long-lasting as some other matte lipsticks on the market. It does require a bit of maintenance throughout the day, especially if you're eating or drinking. Another potential downside is that if you're someone who prefers your lipsticks to be totally transfer-proof, this one may not be for you. It's comfortable, but it's not quite the stay-all-day type. Now let's talk value for money. The MAC Powder Kiss lipstick retails for around $24, which is definitely on the higher end for a lipstick. However, you're paying for a well-formulated, high-quality product from a brand known for its longevity and professional-grade performance. When you look at the overall performance and the comfort it provides, it's a fair price for what you're getting. That said, if you're looking for a cheaper alternative, there are definitely options out there, but you might miss out on the signature MAC quality that makes this one unique. In terms of packaging, this lipstick is classic MAC, sleek, simple, and functional. It's the kind of packaging you can toss in your bag without worrying about it getting damaged. It doesn't feel too bulky, and the bullet shape is easy to apply. While the packaging may vary slightly, it's still the same iconic design that the brand is known for. As for alternatives, you could look into some other matte lipsticks that offer a similar finish, but at a lower price. For example, brands like Maybelline and NYX offer comfortable matte lipsticks with rich color payoff that might suit those on a budget, though the texture and finish may not feel as luxurious as MAC's. Finally, what's the verdict on Burning Love? Overall, It's a gorgeous shade that lives up to its promise of a romantic, blurred matte finish. The formula is unique and comfortable, and it offers a deep, bold color that's perfect for those who want to make a statement without the heavy feel of a traditional matte. The main drawbacks are its wear time and the need for occasional touch-ups. But if you're someone who loves a matte lip and is willing to maintain it throughout the day, I think you'll really appreciate this lipstick. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for tuning in. If you've tried the MAC Powder Kiss lipstick in Burning Love, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. And as always, thanks for joining us at Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.